Welcome to Alaskwatch, the show all about Bigfoot in the great state of Alaska. I'm your host, Beans Baxter. So lace up your boots, zip up your coat, and come with me on an adventure as we explore all things cryptid in the last frontier. All right, so we came up here. Alex wanted to check on the camp, and I checked my camera. We got some interesting footage of some deer, which I'm going to show right here. But, you know, it's a good sign. It shows that there's prey animals in the area. We found that jawline, or the jawbone, just up the trail from this area. That's a good sign. It's promising. Yeah, all I can hear is the rain hit my head.
Becca, did you hear something?
Oh, I think it was birds.
Yeah. Hard to hear with the damn rain. Yeah, I'm gonna get a 3D scan of this stuff.
So, what'd you find there, Alex?
Just like a. It looks like a slight track. It could be a bare double step, but I mean, it's kind of smaller than my boot. I'm gonna get a little 3D scan of it. And stop dripping water on the thing. Oh, this is gonna come out hopefully good. Let's see. Take a little bit. Man, it's small, whatever it is. Might not be much, but.
All right, so it's like day 13 and day like 12 of rain. It's been raining pretty much nonstop since we got here. The first day we were here, I was worried that I was going to get a sunburn because I didn't bring any sunscreen, and my forearms got a little red sitting out here and talking on the porch and doing my interview with Alex. And then the next day it clouded up and started raining. It's been raining ever since, with just a few brief respites here and there from the rain. I have to say I'm a bit surprised. Coming out here, I knew we were going to be out here for a long time. I thought that, this might be it. I actually felt on my way out here, like packing to come out here, I actually felt like something was going to happen. I didn't know what, but I just felt like something was going to happen. And, so far, that has not been the case. I've been extremely disappointed with what's been going on out here, and I don't know. I don't know how to explain how this place can be so active and then so inactive. The only thing I can really come up with is maybe there's some sort of circuit or something that they like follow. Maybe they're following the deer, or it's got something to do with a particular plant or seafood or something in a certain bay. I don't know. Or maybe they just move around all the time anyway, so they don't deplete the resources in one area. That would make sense. But to have been here for this long and had as intensive as operation as Alex has put together here, it kind of boggles my mind. I mean, there were a few days, especially towards the beginning, where I didn't really go out. I didn't stay out too late. There were a couple of days where Alex was sick. We've all been sick. We're all like passing this cold around the cabin, and that explains my coughing, right? And there were some nights when Alex was just like not feeling good, and he's out in the woods. They went up and they were camping on the ridge. We were gonna do that ourselves once the rain subsided, but Alex's tent like got waterlogged, so I don't think that's gonna happen. But yeah, it's just a weird stay out here. like I said, when I first was on my way out here, I felt like something was going to happen, like this was going to be it. And then when I got here, after the first couple of days of just like nothing happened and no report, you know, nothing to report, I kind of felt like, excuse me, I just got the feeling like they're not here. Not that, you know, not that I have any special insight or connection or information. It's just, I guess, that old like detective gut feeling, you know. They're just not here, and I don't know why, and I don't know what we could do to change that. We've tried a bunch of different tactics over the last few days, you know, from just kind of being kind of stealthy to, you know, basically throwing a party up in the woods to just being dumb campers. You know, I don't know. You know, I'm at one of those, there's a lot of like ups and downs that comes with this where you're in this field, and I'm definitely kind of feeling one of the downs. You know, I'm sure part of it's because I'm sick. I don't feel good. The weather's been crap. I mean, it's just been totally like incredibly wet, like so bad. Like the water's just soaked. I mean, the ground is just soaked. Every step you take is just, you know, mushy, and it's muddy and wet. And even when it's not raining, you got to wear your rain clothes because of all the wet vegetation. I mean, you're going to get soaked if you try and walk through the woods right now, even if it's not raining. So it's just, you know, what was the meme go? Bro, I'm straight up not having a good time. You know, but they say you have to suffer for it for results, but I don't know. I mean, I've definitely been in worse situations, but you know, I feel like I'm doing some suffering. I'm not getting any results. I mean, even like at this point, I'd just settle for, I'd be happy with a good knock. So that was the dock. If you heard that, as soon as I said that, the dock made a sound. But yeah, very disappointing. I don't know. I'm like I said, I'm at one of those low points where I'm like, I don't know. It's not worth it. But I'm sure once I get back home, get a shower, and get my clothes washed and all that, I'm sure I'll feel better. But as of right now, you know, Beans' morale is taking a little bit of a hit. Had a good time working with Alex. I mean, I'm really impressed with him. He's really, you know, like I said, you know, he's been sick and he's pretty much been at it every day. He's done something almost. I think there was maybe one day when it was kind of raining really hard where he didn't feel good, where he's like, all right, I'm gonna take some naps today. We're not gonna do much. But even then, I think, you know, him and Rebecca were putting out audio recorders. So, I mean, something was getting done. But anyway, everybody's gone. I'm the only one here right now. They went to go take a cruise around the bay here in the boat. I opted to stay behind for a couple of reasons. One, I wanted some time by myself because, you know, big introvert. Got to recharge with my alone time. Two, I wanted to FaceTime my wife while the internet was working. And three, I wanted to do this. I wanted to sit out here on the porch and just listen and see if I heard anything, because I haven't really got a chance to do that much. So we'll see what happens. As of right now, I haven't heard anything out of the ordinary. But anyway, guys, you know, I still got another day, actually day and a half, I guess, depending on when we get out of here. So I guess there's still time for something to happen. I'll keep you posted if it does. Thanks for watching.